Hello, hello friends. Today we are going to learn how to generate images in Canva. So Canva is providing a very good, very effective feature of generate pictures which are royalty free, and we will see that these images are not copied. So let's see that. Generate own. So I want a bedroom with jungle in background with one lion in front. So as we can see, these are all 2D animated pictures. We can generate again as well, like this, by saying we need real image. Now again we can generate a picture. So here it is. Here we can see some images. Now as I am from India, I would really appreciate with a picture who with the Indian business owner. So I will prefer I need a I need a happy face, happy business owner, owner selling art, PIECES, in suit, real image, generate. So this is a royalty free picture, whatever we generate. Now how we can check this with this tiny eye. So this is an application where we can check the plagiarism in the image. So it happens sometimes. So here we can see couple of very good pictures. So we have generated some pictures of a business owner who is selling art pieces, and then we can export this to check we can just simply